Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody's having a problem getting these lines to meet. And if we look at this thing is actually a object, and you can see the lines are welded. So let's just draw one from scratch. Let's let me zoom in the center of the page. Let's draw a straight line, holding down the control key so it's perfect. Then I'm going to hit P to put that in the center of the page. I'm going to make it 16 points wide. And then I'm going to take the Twirl tool, and I've got my Twirl tool set on 4 inches. I'm going to click on it and then get right on the end. It's not quite enough, maybe. And then I'm going to hit F12 on the keyboard, and I'm going to give it round end caps. Well, that didn't do it. Let me just pick it again, F12. There we go. I think that would look better. Now, I'm going to hit P to put it in the center of the page because it changed because we made the line shorter. I'm going to Control D, Alternate C, and I'm going to rotate it 15 degrees. See, that's not enough. So let's go 20. And that's still not enough. So we're kind of big. But what we can do, let's back up here. Let's just delete that one. Let's go ahead and take this, go up to Object and convert the outline to an object. And let's left click, right click. Now we're going to Control D, and we're going to mirror it both ways. So they're going the opposite direction. And then I would just get this and get on this node right here and have it snap to that node. Ooh. See, they're going the opposite direction. Now take this and weld it. Get rid of those interior lines. Now I'm going to hit P and see how much it changed. Control D, Alternate C, rotated that 20 degrees. And see, we're too much. Let's go 18. And see, that's probably almost perfect. So let's go Control D, Alternate C, 36 degrees, Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. And look at that. Now I think I did 10 degrees or something on this one, so it's different. But it all depends on the size of your line, your thickness of your line. Take everything and weld it. And then let's fill it in with yellow and take away the outline. Get a black box effect. And there you go. You see the lines. And because you reversed them, they're all going in one direction. Anyway, I'm hoping that's what he wanted and helped him. If not, he'll let me know. And thank you for watching.